Hi everyone, this is Kirti Kaur from Dehradun. I am doing MBBS from Mumbai and today I'll be making mushroom and spinach oats khichdi. For that I'll be needing the ingredients for today's recipe is 40 grams of oats, 40 grams of moong dal, some mushroom boiled and chopped, spinach boiled and chopped, one tomato chopped, finely chopped, one onion, finely chopped, two cloves of garlic, some sweet corn, half a tablespoon of haldi, one green chili, half lemon, black pepper, senda namak. We'll be using senda namak as it is better to use senda namak because it is more in potassium. Using 2 tablespoon ghee, let it heat, put your onions, saute them for 2 to 3 minutes till they are pink in color. Now, as you see, it has become translucent and pink. Now put your garlic, let it saute. Saute for 2 minutes. And then after the garlic is sauteed, then put your tomatoes and your green chilies. Let the tomatoes cook till they are mushy. Till then, we'll saute our mushroom and spinach. I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee here. Let it melt. Now we'll add our mushrooms. Saute them nicely. We had already boiled the mushrooms. Now let them saute. And then we add our spinach. And then we add half a teaspoon of senda namak and little bit of black pepper. We mix them and saute them nicely till there is a nice golden brown color on the mushrooms. Saute for 2 minutes. And just leave it aside. Now we come back to our tomato. It has cooked nicely. Now we'll add some of the sweet corns. Give it a little mix. We'll add half a tablespoon of haldi. 1 tablespoon of senda namak or salt as per your taste. We'll add a little bit of water so that the masalas don't stick to the cooker. Let the raw smell of haldi go off. Put little bit of black pepper, because black pepper is really good for your digestion and it's really good for your metabolism also. Now we'll put our oats in it and we'll let them roast with the masalas for 2 minutes. And finally we'll add our dal, which we had soaked for half an hour. And we'll again roast it for 2 minutes. And then we'll put almost 200 ml of water in it. And then we'll close the lid and we'll leave it for 2 to 3 whistles. After 4 whistles, I'm opening the cooker now. Okay. Yes, it has cooked finely. Now for garnishing, we put a little bit of coriander. And lastly, we'll put our sauteed mushroom and spinach in it. And give it a good mix. Now it's ready to serve. We'll serve it in a plate. Accompany it with some curd. I put a few drops of lemon in it. So this was my recipe, Oats Khichdi for Kisan Cook-Off Kiwi Cook-Off Challenge. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.